What does Billy want? Billy's splash park is closed. Okay. It's too cold out. You see, none of the water features are working. We'll stay here as long as Billy wants. But Billy, remember, tomorrow we're going to the pool and Billy goes swimming. But Billy, right now it's too cold. Okay? The splash park's closed for the year because it's too cold outside. All right? So you want to go to Daddy's house and then we'll take a bath and we have to do laundry so we could go to the pool tomorrow. That's not going to start the splash park, baby. The splash park is closed for the year. You ready to go, Daddy's? We'll stay here as long as you want, baby, but the splash park's not going to work. Okay? You want more? Okay. We'll stay here as long as you want, but it's not going to work, baby. Yeah, I know it's too cold out, Billy. Billy, tomorrow we're going to the pool. You want to go to the pool tomorrow? Well, we got to go to Daddy's house and do laundry. Okay? Because you got all ice cream and ketchup and everything on your shirt. So we got to go home and do laundry. Billy takes a nice hot bath. Yeah, it's not going to work, baby. The splash park is closed. The splash park's closed, baby. It's not going to work. See? Yeah, Billy. Tomorrow we're going to go to the pool. Billy's going to go swimming. But right now we got to go to Daddy's house. Billy takes a bath. Billy goes to bed. We got to do laundry. You ready? Billy, the splash park's not going to work. All right? Come on, baby. Daddy's house. You ready? Billy. Daddy's house. It's too cold for the splash park, baby. It's too cold. The splash parks are closed for the year, baby. But Billy, tomorrow we're going back to the pool, okay? You ready? Come on. Good job, Billy.